Alright guys, today we're going to install sound deadening in the 240. I have 36 square feet of the kill mat. Alright, I just got some put on. It's actually pretty easy to work with and it fits in all the tight spaces. I also bought this roller to help crease the edges where there's indents in the floor pan. And just like that, I got the passenger floorboard done. I am pretty impressed with this stuff and I would recommend it. Next, I'm going to be putting this mass-loaded foam right on top to help even more. But before that, I'm waiting on my sealing tape to help seal the edges of this and keep everything good. And in the next video, I'll be putting this thicker foam down and getting the sound deadening complete on the 240.